In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a template in Notion. If you've ever wanted to reuse a layout you love without rebuilding it from scratch, duplicating a template is the quickest way to do it. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish so you can follow along with confidence. Start by heading to notion.com in your web browser. Any modern browser will work. Using the website ensures you're working with the most up-to-date interface and features. Once you're there, click Login. Sign in with your usual method so you can access your content. You don't need anything special here, just your regular account so Notion can open your pages and templates. After logging in, go to your workspace. If you have more than one, choose the workspace where your template lives. This could be a personal workspace or a team workspace. The steps are identical. You'll see your sidebar on the left with pages, databases, and folders, which Notion calls pages within pages. Now, navigate to the page that contains the template you want to copy. This might be a standalone template page or a template inside a database. If you're not sure where it is, glance through your sidebar or use the built-in search to quickly find the page by name. Open that page so you're viewing the template content directly. Look for the three-dot icon, sometimes called the page menu. You'll typically find it at the top right corner of the page. If your window is small, that menu might be tucked behind an icon, so maximize your window if you don't see it right away. Click the three dots to open the page options. From the menu that appears, click Duplicate. Notion will instantly create a full copy of the page, including the layout, blocks, formatting, and any nested content. If you're duplicating a template inside a database, this action duplicates that page template structure as a new page you can customize. For regular pages, it creates a separate identical page you can work on independently. You'll see the copied version appear in the same location as the original. In the sidebar, it should sit right alongside the template you just duplicated, so it's easy to compare or start editing. Nothing happens to your original. Your duplicate is a safe, independent copy, ready for you to tailor to your needs without affecting the source. That's all there is to it. You've just learned the fastest way to copy a template in Notion so you can reuse your favorite setups with zero hassle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.